What's up guys, Sean here. Thank you again for checking out the channel. Hope everyone is having a good week. I know here in our household, we're pretty excited. We were able to get our spots to get vaccinated, which has been a long time coming. We're pretty excited about that. So hopefully, you know, that'll start to turn things around here and we'll get over the hump of this illness. But anyway, I hope you guys are doing well, having a safe week. I just wanted to make another kind of quick public service announcement type video about something you'll see when you'll be researching stocks. And I know that this might be obvious to me, but I wanted to make a quick video about this for those of us that are beginning and maybe looking at some of the stats and just thinking like, wow, there's a lot of really good performing stocks out there. And that is because they are only showing you the last year of performance. So let me just start by the story of why I wanted to make this video, and then we'll just get into it. All right, so let me just start off by saying this video might not rank very high, but it's really for those of you guys who always check out my videos. I really appreciate it. I just don't want you guys to get caught in something that, you know, might be an obvious oversight. So sorry if you already know this. Really, I'm not the YouTuber everybody wants, but really the YouTuber everybody needs. So I'll just start the story, but I was basically checking out the Mint app. By the way, if you guys don't have it, I highly recommend you download Mint to track all of your accounts and investments and stuff. I'm not sponsored by Mint, but Mint, if you would like to sponsor me, please let me know. I love the stuff, love the stuff. So Mint has refreshed the app and made it look pretty cool. And I was going through this kind of chart, this line on the top of my account, and it kind of tracks your net worth. And I was looking at it and I said, holy crap, my net worth has gone up 40% in the last year. I thought I actually like broke the app. I was like, there's no way my net worth went up that much. But then I realized we are in April. And if you guys remember, in April of last year, we were still coming out of that kind of sharp decline that was in March. So I actually, you know, my net worth actually had dipped. If you guys haven't seen the video, there's a link right there. So what I realized when I saw that is I'm like, oh, now all the charts you look at on BNN, all the, you know, the Yahoo charts and stuff that show you kind of like the last 1 year of performance are going to make every stock look like it's gained 50, 40, 60% in the last year, and could be misleading if you're doing your research. So I just felt it was my duty to make a quick video reminder for us beginners that are doing some of this research now, looking at BNN and just finding everything to be 55, 60% gains in the last 12 months and just looking super juicy, super attractive right now. But there's more to the story than that. There's an old saying that says anything that crawls out of the toilet is covered in shit. Okay, that's not a saying, but it really should be a saying. So your takeaways really are, when you're looking at charts that cover the last 12 months, keep in mind that you need to expand history a little bit more. When you're looking at quarterly reports, the ones that have come out in Q1 most recently, keep in mind some of those year-over-year numbers are going to be quite attractive, because this is about that time, depending on when the report came out, could show some crazy high numbers this year over last year. So just keep that in mind. And third, if any of these guys on YouTube advertise some course to you to show you how I increased my net worth by 40% in the last year, just please, just don't. Sorry, I just get fired up because the power of math should be used for good. But essentially, guys, that's all I have. Just pull that history out a little bit further back so you get a good picture of what it is that you're researching, what you're investing in. And that's it. That's all I wanted to say. If this gets out there and even helps one person or reminds one person, that's great. It was worth it. And if that one person could maybe tell like a few hundred of your friends to watch this video, that would also probably help. Until next time, have a great week. Spread the wealth, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.